Hey guys, if you're watching this video, most likely you've already seen all these viral clips that produced by SeeDance 2.0. And what really frustrates me is every single video I see on YouTube, they just showing you these clips. They download it and then they put in that video and then they do a reaction. Oh, this is so cool, so real. The game has changed again. But then what does it mean to you guys? Because they don't tell you how this been generated and how much does it cost and what can you use it for. And so we're gonna fix that in this video. Actually, a lot of people don't know you can actually access the whole work manual of SeeDance 2.0. This is the whole work manual. They pretty much tell you what the prompt they used and what's the image they used, for example this one, and the end result. So this is a textbook of studying about this model. The only downside is this file seems to be encrypted, so it's currently only in Chinese and I cannot translate this one into English. So that's why I feel I have a need to make this video to answer a lot of questions of you guys have. The other thing is because this model is not being released yet to the Western world, I heard API will be available in about a week time. So this is not going to be a full in-depth tutorial. So this video is about reverse engineering and a quick walkthrough of core functions and capability so all this model can achieve. So the first user case of this model is image to video generation, and this can last till 15 seconds and it's actually quite capable by looking the samples, but we reserve our opinion once the model is fully released. You guys wouldn't understand Chinese, but you can see there's actually not a lot of prompt in here. So to create a video like this, you just need a source image, and the prompt is just she is hanging the clothes, elegant pose, and then she pick up the clothes from the other bucket, and then that is the result. And so you can see guys, and for this one, this is another good example. Let me translate the prompt to you. So it's that the camera follow the black clothed man and he is running away fast and a bunch of people is chasing him down, and the camera changed to side angle shoot and the characters is panicked and he locked down some fruit from the shop on the side of the road and he got up and he continued running and people panicking sound. And so this is the prompt. It's pretty simple, right? And then that is the image. So probably can generate it with any image generator, and then here comes the result. As you can see, this model, like as an image to video generation, so first advantage is 15 seconds. And the second thing is this model does a lot of heavy lifting by itself. So you don't need to say too much. And then there's no morphing, there's no face change, face melt, which showing the capabilities, okay? But this is not the highlight of the model. So now let's talk about the groundbreaking stuff. Is solving the consistent permanently, because now they have a completely different mechanics to solving out the consistence. Like say this in this SeeDance model, you can actually call out your reference. So you can upload up to 12 different elements. You can upload images like you see in here, or you can upload videos like in this, and you can even upload the audios if you want, and you can upload up to 12 elements. And then in your prompt you can call out your elements, like say the man, and once you press add and you can select the images. So at image 1, right? So the man at image 1, so you tell the model the man is this person, okay? And then he's tired after work and he's walking in a hallway, right? And then so the model knows he have to reference everything to this man. And then the other thing is you can upload another image of a woman, and then you can add a image number 2, which is the woman and he's talking to you. And then in the image number 3 you can add a scene, say, and you can add image number 3, the woman and the men are talking at image 3 are in the hallway or in the coffee shop or whatever it is. So in this way, every time you generate a video, the scene, the characters, and what they're wearing and what they look like has been kept consistent and throughout the time. And then the other thing is the biggest question, what about audio? Well, let me show you this one. So this is the reference image. So this guy looks very unrealistic here. So it's like a semi-realistic 3D rendering. And then we have this audio.
我就没叫醒过你，赶紧起来吧！那他上班都要迟到了，那太阳都晒屁股了。
All right, so it's in Chinese, but then look the prompt here. All right, he says the tone and the voice refer to video 1. So this is video number 1. So this one is actually, you can tell model to clone a voice of a character. So if you have the voice of your avatar and you can upload that voice and ask the model to refer that voice, and I'll show you guys, this is the result, right? The guy said different words, but it's sort of sounds the same person.
哎，醒醒，太阳都晒屁股了，还睡呢？真拿你没办法。
So you guys get the idea. So now you can even add the audio to clone the voice inside this model. And so now with this add function, you can add images, you can refer to images, you can refer to videos, and you can refer to audios. And then show you guys another example of a refer to a video. Well, I think this example is a pretty cool example, right? So this one will have image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 images as reference, and pretty much we upload a model, which is this woman here, and then we upload 5 different outfit, right? This is 5 different outfit, and then we just need to tell the model to refer to the look of the model here, and then she's wearing the outfit from 2 to 6, and then she making all different kind of facial expressions, and every pose she wearing different outfit, and every time she changes, the picture will flick and it will transact, and then can refer to the source video of this one for the fisheye effect, and then redesign the flickering and flashing picture effect. Right, so now it's actually this is a perfect example. This one have so many different elements, and then they even asked them to refer to this video. And that's the result, guys. Well, I think that is seriously impressive, because now you can see how it's being made. It's actually not that difficult. So that's why what I'm saying in this video is about breaking down the secret sauce, show you the recipe, so you know if to achieve this professional quality is something you can do or not. And then the result is easy. It's not hard, guys. Like, everyone can do it, right? And now, before we finish this video up, I'm gonna show you something even crazier for this model, which is a video editing capabilities. So this will completely change the game forever. All right, so under this video, as you can see, this is pretty simple. Yeah, I choose the simplest ones. So the prompt says replace the video, the women singer, into the men of the images 1. Let me show you guys the source video first. And this is a reference image, and then let's play.
You got that something I wanted. You got
You know, so this is gonna be crazy. Like this one, everyone's seen it, right? So change the video one woman's hair become red, and image one, the big white shark slowly approaching her from behind. And this is the original video, just someone swimming, right? And cool image though, half under the water, half above the water. And now the head has changed to the red. They even have a sound come, and then the sharks come out. Good sound effect though, and this fish in the front. See, this is not difficult, guys. So only limitation now is the depth of your pocket, your imagination, right? So you can actually editing all these videos. All right, I'm gonna leave this link in here, right? It's even though if you don't understand this, you don't understand Chinese, you can come have a look. Say for example, you can look the images and then how they piece together and the original footages and what's the end. So this is a secret source. So this is actually value to you guys because I show you how they've been made instead of just saying wow it's so good. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to smash the like buttons because I know you guys watching my video, you are the most advanced AI users in this space. And next I'll be hands-on testing this myself. I'm gonna make a action movie, continue with my last video if you haven't seen it. We don't know the price yet for the Dreamia international version, but I don't think it will be cheap, guys. This is gonna be an expensive model, so which is another thing, maybe limited. SeeDance 2.0 release will definitely shock the whole industry, but I think Google is cooking something in the background. I think the VEO4 is about to drop maybe not long from now, and it's getting really exciting. So if you guys want to stay on top of all these AI releases, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.